Balikan. What is the second law of motion? Okay, the law of acceleration. Very good. Who can state what does the law of acceleration state with? What does it state? We say in the law of acceleration. Who can state the law of acceleration? Melvin. Joseph.
Acceleration is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to its mass.
Okay, it states that acceleration is directly proportional to the force applied. Sunod. Okay, and inversely proportional to each mass. So, magdepende, diba? Magdepende ang acceleration sa mass niya. Kaya hindi ka maka-accelerate kung ano sa mass? Ang sakit ang mass? Ha? Mass ba?
Yeah.
Oh, kabugaton. May pasuluni. Oh, kabugaton. So, dili maka-accelerate ang usa ka butang or usa ka object. Maski kita, dili ka maka-accelerate kung magdepende na siya sa akong mass. Diba? Ato po nang gistadihan ang pag-compute sa
Mass.
acceleration. So, today, our new topic is all about so this is already in module 2, work, power, and energy. So the first thing, the lesson 8 is all about what is work. So what is work? Did I cross in huh? But namana. Work. Before that, let me state to you our objective for today. Kaya naman yung itong kinahanglan nga, nabuton karon nga adlaw. So, we'll have the objectives. So first, we will define work scientifically. Second, who can read? Oh, everybody read. Okay, next we have okay, and which work is done and in which no work is done. These are all our objectives. What do you mean by objectives? Mo niya ito ang saan na ito ni? Ang atong objective. Atong buhaton? Sa pagyod? What else? Kabuton? Sa pa? I-perform ko na yung si Joseph. Okay. So before that, sinsa may nakaibalo sa ibot pasabot sa work. What does it mean when we say work? What? Trabaho. Trabaho ko no? Word no work. Magtrabaho? Bang man kanina? So what comes into your mind when you hear the word work? Oh, Joseph. Oh, trabaho ko no? What else? Isa pa yun? Oh, Melvin. Kabuhaton ko no? Mahulog yun. Ha? Dapat kita mga klase kasama kayo ha? Okay. Trabaho, pagabuhaton ko no? Sakto ba? Pinag-iingon? Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes na lang para mahuman. Okay. So when people ask, what is your work? So they refer this to a job or employment. So mo to kanina no? Buti nag-ingon kanina? Trabaho ko no. Ngayon nga ako sa trabaho. Tigugas plato ko no yung princess. How about? So when people ask you, I'll meet you at work. Kung sabot pasabot niya na, what does it mean? I'll meet you at work. Okay, they will meet after sa trabaho. So they refer to the part of a day devoted to occupation or undertaking. Ganang humanaw trabaho na makikita na yung activity needed to be accomplished. Walahi po na siya, no? Nakita na niyo ang kalainan sa sabot pasabot sa work? Do you see? Ha? So, inyo na nakikita kung kung sa diferensya sa work. So, dili tanan work is trabaho lang siya. Okay. So, in physics, quote, there, you can read all of it, diba? So, basta ba tanan? Okay, what does it say there? Work is an abstract idea related to energy. So, what is energy, di? Anong related man ang work sa energy? Why do you think so? Good. Very good. Diba, Brian? If you will do your work, if you don't have energy, so how will you finish your work? Diba? Para sa inyo, ha? Kung wala dili mo mamahaw, sa'yo sa buntag, sa may tabo. Pagkakit ba? Diba? Matulgon, magklase sa'yo sa buntag, natulog na daan. Si Brian? Ay, wala di. Ay, dili mo matulog si Brian. Okay, and when work is done, muna na siya, when it is done, it is accompanied by a change in energy. Nga naman, why does it mean na a change in energy? Kung mauman ako na mo trabaho, nga naman, ma-change ko rin mong energy. Nga naman, change ko na naman. Already use the energy. Mo naman siya nagamit, so there is a change in energy. See, so when work is done by an object, it is losses energy, and when work is done on an object, it gains energy. So katulad po na imong trabuhan, maka-gain po rin siya of energy. Kain pa, isa. Isa pa, magduwa din. Steven. Ikaw lang, princess. Oh, ikaw Lon. Lon. Si Jerome, mula ka Jerome. Si Jerome, imong buhaton Jerome, imong ituklod ni lakbo. Oh, ikaw, Lon, imong buhaton, imuhang birahon ang bangko ni princess. Oh. Sige na. Dito ikuan nun. Ay, katulad imo lang. Imo princess, imong buhaton is, ikaw dayon ang balik sa gibira ni Noni. So, dito gikan Lon, birahon imo paingon dire. Ako na ang diha, ibira ni mo dire Lon. So, you pull the chair, padulong dire. Ikaw dayon si Rom, imo itulod ni nga blackboard ha. Yan na. So, unaon na to si, let's go with si Jerome. Itulod ang kani. Sabi ko sigan kaya. Okay? O, Luni. Yan ang i-pull ang chair. O, ikaw princess, ibalik dayon ni princess ang bangko. So, sit down. Thank you. Oh, thank you. So, from that demonstration, sa kayo nahitabo ato, i-relate na to. Let's relate it sa ato ang topic, which is work. Asa sa ato nga situation na naghatag og work. May where is the work done ato sa ilang? Ato nang i-discover nga ba yan siya. Okay. So, shall we have an activity?
Kadlok din. Activity notes.
So, you prepared and you copy this activity. Later mo na siya. I'll give you 20 minutes. Kanalay, it's the same to sa inyong habitang imuhat nga activity last night.
Ma'am, gawin mo na, ma'am.
Oo.
Video na ito namin.
Number 1. Jillian.
Yahoo,
Is there a work done? Yes? Sure. Oh, group 2. Yes? Yes ba? Kanan box 2. Alisin ito. How about group 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yapon? Sure?
Group
4. Is there a work done?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
O, puro sila yes. Yes mo tanan?
Yes, no. Kanana.
Direction ba?
Yes.
And there is also a distance nga iyang na-covered when the force is applied. How about the second one?